This video explains everything in simple language. We break down the core ideas of machine learning. We show how machines learn patterns from data. We explain each type of learning with clear examples. We help you understand how machine learning models improve over time. Machine learning is one of the most important technologies shaping the modern world. In this video, we give you a simple, beginner-friendly explanation of what machine learning really is. Many people hear the term machine learning, but are not sure what it means or how it works. This description takes you through the same concepts step by step in a clear and easy-to-understand way. Whether you are a student, a professional, or simply curious, this guide is designed to help you understand the core idea behind machine learning without complicated terms. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence. It allows computers to learn from data instead of being programmed with fixed rules. Traditional programming depends on humans writing exact instructions for the computer. Machine learning is different because it lets the computer find patterns on its own. In simple words, machine learning helps computers learn from examples. Just like humans learn from experience, machine learning systems learn from data. The more data they receive, the better they understand and the more accurate their predictions become. To understand machine learning, it helps to compare it with human learning. A child learns to recognize fruits by seeing many examples. No one teaches the child every tiny detail. The child learns patterns through repetition. Machine learning works in the same way. When you show a machine many pictures of apples and bananas, it starts to learn the difference by itself. It looks for shapes, colors, and patterns hidden inside the data. Over time, it becomes better at recognizing new fruits it has never seen before. Machine learning uses data as its teacher. Data can be anything like images, text, numbers, videos, audio recordings, or measurements. For example, a machine learning model can learn to detect spam emails by studying thousands of emails labeled as spam or not spam. It discovers the patterns in the words, sentences, and behaviors inside the emails. Once it understands these patterns, it can classify new emails accurately. This learning process is what makes machine learning powerful. There are three main types of machine learning. The first type is supervised learning. Supervised learning means the data is labeled. You show the machine the correct answers during training. For example, if you want the machine to recognize dogs in photos, you give it images labeled as dog. The machine studies these labeled examples and learns the patterns. It then uses this learning to identify dogs in new photos. Supervised learning is used in email filtering, medical diagnosis, product recommendations, and many areas where clear answers are available. The second type is unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, the data is not labeled. The machine must find hidden patterns on its own. This is like giving the machine a mixed basket of fruits without names. The machine groups similar items together based on color, size, or shape. It discovers natural patterns in the data without being told the correct answer. Unsupervised learning is used for customer segmentation, market research, fraud detection, and organizing large data sets. The third type is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning teaches machines through trial and error. The machine tries different actions and receives rewards or penalties. Over time, it learns which actions lead to the best results. This is similar to how humans learn by experience. For example, a robot may learn to walk by trying again and again until it gets better. Reinforcement learning is used in robotics, gaming, self-driving cars, and many advanced technologies. Another important idea in machine learning is the model. A model is the system that learns the patterns from data. For example, a model that predicts house prices learns from data about past prices, locations, sizes, and features. Once trained, the model can estimate the price of a new house based on what it learned. A model improves as it receives more data and is trained more accurately. Training is the process of teaching a model. During training, the machine makes predictions and checks how close those predictions are to the correct answers. If the predictions are wrong, the model adjusts itself. This process is repeated thousands or even millions of times until the model becomes accurate. Training requires strong computing power and good quality data to produce reliable results. Testing comes after training. Testing checks how well the machine performs on new, unseen data. This helps ensure that the model has learned the general patterns instead of just memorizing the training examples. Good testing is important for making sure machine learning models work well in the real world. Another key idea is features. Features are the important pieces of information in the data. For example, when predicting house prices, useful features might be size, number of rooms, and location. The machine uses features to understand which patterns matter most. Choosing the right features helps the model learn better and make more accurate predictions. Machine learning also uses algorithms. An algorithm is a method or process the machine uses to learn from data. Different algorithms work better for different tasks. Some algorithms are simple and fast. Others are complex and powerful. Choosing the right algorithm depends on the type of data and the problem you want to solve. Deep learning is a special part of machine learning. It uses neural networks with many layers. Neural networks mimic the way the human brain processes information. Each layer learns something different from the data. The deeper the network, the more detailed the patterns it can learn. Deep learning is used in voice assistants, facial recognition, language translation, and advanced automation. It allows machines to learn extremely complex patterns that older methods cannot solve. Machine learning is used everywhere today. In healthcare, it helps doctors detect diseases earlier. In finance, it predicts market trends and identifies fraud. In education, it personalizes learning for students. In transportation, it powers self-driving cars and smart navigation. In entertainment, it recommends movies and music based on your preferences. Machine learning is transforming every industry by making decisions fast, accurate, and data-driven. Machine learning also helps with automation. Tasks that once required manual effort can now be done instantly by machines. This increases speed, reduces errors, and allows humans to focus on more creative and important tasks. Machine learning is not here to replace humans, but to assist them by handling repetitive or complex tasks. But machine learning also has challenges. It needs a lot of high-quality data to work well. If the data is inaccurate or biased, the model will learn incorrectly. Data privacy is also important, as sensitive information must be protected. Another challenge is explainability. Some machine learning models are so complex that even experts cannot fully understand how they make decisions. This is why researchers work on making machine learning more transparent and fair. Machine learning continues to grow and evolve. Every year, new techniques, tools, and models are developed. This makes machine learning more accurate, more efficient, and more accessible to everyone. The future of machine learning includes smarter automation, better predictions, and more personalized experiences. Understanding the basics today will help you stay prepared for future technological changes. If this video helps you, please like the video. Your support motivates us to create more valuable content. Subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Share this video with friends, students, and anyone who wants to learn. Your support helps our channel grow and reach more people. We hope you now understand what machine learning is and how machines learn from data. Stay connected with our channel for more educational and easy-to-understand videos. Keep learning, stay curious, and continue exploring the world of modern technology.